Good morning, students. How are you all? Students, hope you all are fit and healthy. Standard 7, Subject Sanskrit, and today I'm going to start the new chapter, chapter 4, and the chapter name is Hashyogya. In this chapter, we are going to read some funny and interesting story, and I hope you all enjoy this story and take some good knowledge with this chapter. So let's start this chapter. See the first paragraph, student. First number. Apdika. Apdika means shopkeeper. See in the bracket Grahaka Prati. To the customer. Grahak means customer. Okay. Etat yantram kidatu क्रययोग्यम अस्ति. Shopkeeper is saying, buy this machine, it is proper to be bought. Now customer, grahak. एतस्य का विशेषता अस्ति. Now the customer is asking, what is its specialties? आपणिक. एतत् यन्त्रं भवतः 50% कार्यभार अल्पं करिष्यति. Shopkeeper is saying, this machine will less on your workload 50%. Now Grahak is saying, Grahak trahi kripa dve yantre dadatu. Now customer is saying, then please give me 2 machine. Okay. Now I will show you the translation. See student, this is translation. I already explained you shopkeeper to the customer. Shopkeeper and customer is talking. Buy the machine, it is a proper to bought. Customer, what is the specialty? When we are going to purchase something, that as a customer we are asking now, what is the specialty, what is the features of this machine? Then customer is asking like this. Shopkeeper, this machine will less on your workload 50%. Shopkeeper is saying this machine will less your workload 50%. Customer, then please give me 2. If we convey with the shopkeeper talking, then we expect to okay, then we will take the 2 machine or 3 machine after how we will use. Okay, like this. So let's continue the next one. Now see the second one. Shikshak and Chhatra, teachers and student. Now this is the talking with teachers and students. So let's start this. Shikshak in the bracket Chhatrash Griha Karya Dishtava. Teacher after checking the students' homework. Bhavata Grih Karya Bhavam Dosha Tan Api Bhavan Eka Evam Karoti. Chhatra महोदय एते सर्वे दोषा अहम एकम एवा न करोमि. गृहपाठलेखनं मम पिता अपि सहायता करोति. Now see the translation student. In this chapter, teacher and students are talking. Teacher after checking the students' homework. All the teachers are checking your homework. It's me too. So, there are many mistakes in your homework. Only you do. The teacher is saying to students, there are many mistakes in your homework, only you do. Students, sir, I alone do not make all these mistakes. Means I am not only the person who is doing this mistake. Then students saying again, father also help me in doing my homework. That means students saying it's not only my fault, it's my father also helping to do this mistake and this homework. Okay students, hope you understand this story. This is a joke. So let's continue the third one. See the third paragraph. Grih Swami, Atithi. Grih Swami means owner of the house. Atithi means guest. Now listen this. Atithi Prati Bhavna Agachatu स्वान भयम न अनुभवतु. अतिथि की स न दशति. गृहस्वामी तस्य दशन स्वभावः अस्ति वा न वा इति अहम् अपि न जानामि यतः एतस्य स्वभावस्य परिशीलनम् अनु अधुना भविष्यति. Now see the translation. See the third translation and I will explain you also. Owner of the house. Owner of the house and the guest both are talking. Owner of the house is saying to the guest, please welcome. Don't be afraid of my dog. Owner of the house, when we are going to some place as a guest, then somebody is saying don't be afraid of the dog. If they have dog, then guest is saying, does not it bite? As a guest we are also sometimes asking dog is biting or not, so that guest is saying does not it bite. Owner of the house, I don't know whether it has or has not nature of biting. Now the owner of the house is saying we don't know about the nature of this dog, it's biting or not, because it will be the test of its nature. Now the owner of the house, as a joke, he is saying we don't know the nature of the dog is biting or not, because it will be the taste of its nature. It's a depend on the dog nature, the shopkeeper, the owner of the house is saying. Okay students, now do the continue. See the fourth one. एकदा चोरद्वयं वित्तकोशे लूटनं करोति, बहूनि रूप्यकाणि प्रणोति, गृहम् आगत्य वार्तालापं करोति. प्रथम चोर क्रियन्त धनं प्राप्त तस्य ज्ञानात् धनगणनां करोमि. द्वितीय चोर व्यर्थश्रम न मा करोतु. श्वः वर्तमानपत्रे वार्ताम् आगमिष्यामि एव तत् गणनाज्ञानं भविष्यति. Student, वर्तमानपत्रे means newspaper. This is the topic of the two thief who is talking and they rob some money. So let's see the translation. Two thieves rob a bank. Two thieves are robbed bank. They got many rupees. After robbing, they got the many rupees. Having come home, they talk. Now the two thieves are talking. First thief is said, I am counting money because I want to know how much money we have got. First thief is saying, after rob the bank, he said, now I want to count the money because I don't know how much money we got. We'll count it. So second thief is said, don't do unless labor. Don't do unless labor means unless work. The news will come in the newspaper tomorrow, so we shall know counting. So no need to do the unless work. That newspaper on the tomorrow it will come. So how much money is robbed, so that will after we'll know the how much money is we have. Like this the second thief said. Okay, this is also the part of the joke of this story. Now student, you can see the fifth number, there is a two peoples are talking, two old peoples are talking. So let's read the story. Vriddasya, Sambhunath. One man name is Sambhunath and other name is Ramanath. So Sambhunath is saying, Mam patni mam bhojanash paschat eva bhojanam karoti. Ramanath, Bhavana भार्या स भोजनम न करोति वा. भार्या मीन्स वाइफ. शंभुनाथ, तथा कमपि नास्ति मम भोजनस् पश्चात् स भोजनं करोति. तस् कारणम् अस्ति यत् आवयो एका एवं कृत्रिमदन्तवली अस्ति. What is the meaning of कृत्रिमदन्तवली? Means then teeth denture. A false teeth denture, that is called kritim dantavali, a false teeth. Okay, so let's see the translation. Old Sambhunath, my wife take dinner only after I take my dinner. Old Sambhunath is saying, My wife will take dinner or after I take my dinner. Then Ramanath is asking, don't you take dinner with your wife? Sambhunath, it is not so. She take dinner only after I take my dinner. It has a reason. She, my wife, is taking dinner after I take the dinner. That is have a reason. What is the reason? Sambhunath said. So let's see. We both have only one denture. Denture means false teeth. So Sambhunath and his wife have only one denture. That's the reason after the Sambhunath take the dinner, and after that his wife also taking the dinner. This is the reason they both not taking together dinner. Okay students, hope you enjoy this chapter, and let's see the glossary. Glossary means meaning. क्रीणातु by आपणिक shopkeeper. प्रतिशतम percentage. क्रय योग्यम proper to be bought. द्वे यंत्रे two machines. दशनम बाइट वित्तकोश बैंक. लूटनम लूट और रॉब. आगत्य आकार आच्यो आफ्टर कमिंग. वर्तमान पात्रे पत्रे. वर्तमान पत्रे न्यूज़पेपर. यथा बिकॉज. कृत्रिम दंतवली में एज सेट ऑफ false teeth, that is called false teeth or denture. Okay, now this is some pronunciation of exercise that you have to do the practice. After this you can see, read Sanskrit word of the following word, and this Sanskrit word that you have to read only. This is two, first and second only you have to pronounce and read it. See the third one. Tell who speak the following sentence. Who speak this following sentence that you have to do. So let's see this. तहि कृपा द्वे यंत्रे ददातु. Who said this? तहि कृपा द्वे यंत्रे ददातु. ग्राहक आपणिक वदति. Who is talking this? ग्राहक and आपणिक. Second, भवता गृह कार्य बहव दोषा. शिक्षका and छात्र. शिक्षका and छात्रम, these two both are talking. भवता गृह कार्य व दोषा, that teacher tell to students. श्वान भयम ना अनुभवतु. Okay, गृहस्वामी अतिथिम. This is गृहस्वामी, owner of the house, and guest both are talking about this. Fourth number, व्यर्थ श्रम मा करोतु. व्यर्थ श्रम ना करोतु. द्वितीय चोर and प्रथम चोर, first thief and second thief, both are talking about this. After this, see the replace the underlined word with those given in the bracket and frame other sentence. See the first one. This is very easy students. Etat yantram krinatu. Etat yant krinatu. This is, you can see, yantram. Yantram have the underlined words. This word we have to put, and we have to take out this word and put this phenakam, pustakam and phalam. These three words one by one we have to put it on the place of this yantram, and we have to make the sentence. One I will explain you. Etat yantram krinatu. Then take out this yantram and put the phenakam. Etatra phenakam krinatu. Then after pustakam, that etat pustakam krinatu. Etat phalam krinatu. Okay, like this, all these three words you have to put, and you have to make three sentence. Okay student, now turn your page. Now see the fifth number, frame sentence, follow the illustration. You can see this is the first illustration is given. As this follow, we have to make another fill in the blanks. Frame, we have to frame the sentence. Etat yantram krina yogam krayan yogyam asti. Etat yantram, that you have to make this word yantr dot, that is called yantram. Okay, its pronunciation is same, that only we have to frame the sentence, that we have to use the different word. Krayan yogyam. Krayan, that is we have to make krayan yogyam. Thus see the first one. Etatra pustakam. Patnam pattanam, that you have to use patan yogyam. Okay, asti. Etatra sthanam भ्रमण भ्रमण योग्यम अस्ति. एतत्र चलचित्रं दर्शनं योग्यम अस्ति. एतत् जलं स्नान योग्यम अस्ति. Like this you have to frame this sentence. Change from the verb, follow the illustration. Follow this illustration and we have to change this verb. Okay, bhavati bhavishyati bhavishyami. Bhavati is a present and bhavishyami is past. Vadati vadishyati vadishyami. Karoti karoshyati karoshyami. Tarati tarashyati tarashyami. Like this you have to frame this sentence. After this you can see this in the bracket, page number 12, Gyan Vyam. This only you have to read and understand this only. Okay students, so hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you.